Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to disable animations in Windows 11. Right-click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Accessibility present at left side of the window. Click on Visual Effects. In front of Animation Effects, toggle the button to off position. Now, animations are disabled in your system. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Kindly click the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos.